Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not feeling myself, I'm all over the place, so we're just gonna do whatever comes to mind. So for my brows today, I did use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and it's in the color Ebony. And then along with that, for the concealing of the brows, I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I did a video on this, and it was pretty much a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. So first things first, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the LA Pro Girl Concealer. And this is, of course, in the color Light Ivory. And I'm going to be using this Pure Beauty blender. And it's not wet or anything, but I'm just going to blend it in. I think that this is the perfect blending tool just because it does have the sharp corner and you can really get into your creases with it. So first I'm going to go on with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this pretty orange color right here. Y'all, I'm just not feeling good today. I don't know what's going on, but okay, next up I'm gonna darken it up with a little bit of this red shade right here. And I'm going to go in with this navy blue right here on the V portion of my eye. And now I'm just going to take a clean brush, and this is by Mone't Pro, and it is the BMX 430 crease brush, and I'm just going to blend these colors up. I kind of want to make this a little less harsh, so I'm going to take this nice mustard yellow color right here. Now we are going to take our LA Pro Girl Conceal, and we are going to do a half cut crease. So now I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm going to use the color Lure. Next, I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to use this nice sparkly blue right here. this navy blue right here. And I'm just doing a little bit because I just want to blend that in with the blue that I just put on my eye. So now I'm going to put on my Mary Kay eyeliner and I will be right back. And so what I'm doing now is I'm going to be putting some NYX glitter and it's in the color Lumi, and I'm going to be putting it on my eyelid where the blue is. I think that we can start heading on to the face. So for a primer, I'm going to be using the Master Prime primer, and this is by Maybelline. And I used this stuff, but I don't think I think I liked it. I think it was alright. It does make your face tacky, so that is a good thing. So today I wanted to try something just a little bit different. The other day I put on some brown concealer. I was concealing my eyebrows and I put it up here and I liked the way it looked, and I also put some orange on top of it and it completely got rid of my blemishes. So I think I'm gonna try that today. It may be a little bit extra, but who gonna check me, boo? And I don't usually conceal. I color correct sometimes, but I don't usually conceal until after I do my foundation. But you know, you gotta experiment. You gotta experiment. And this time I'm not going to be using a wet beauty blender. I'm going to be using a dry beauty blender, and I'm going to be using pretty much the same beauty blender I use to conceal my eyes. And as you can see, the darkness is literally gone. Just a little bit of orange. So instead of using my beauty blender today for foundation, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. brush that has stuck with me throughout the years and has never failed on me. It doesn't have a name. I'm sure it has a name, but I don't know the name. And I am going to spray it. I'm going to use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray again. And I'm just going to spray it well before. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color 430. I love the way this smells. And looking in my mirror, my face looks a lot, it looks like it's covering everything. I know Fenty is, I would say, like a medium buildable foundation, but I feel like me using the dark concealer on my face before I put that foundation on just makes it look a lot more flawless. And it may be the brush as well, I'm not sure, but I'm definitely liking that combination. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to conceal. Now I am using a dry beauty blender again. I just want to see how it will work, and the chin area looks pretty good. Cupid's bow looks pretty good. So I'm actually liking how the dry beauty blender or dry beauty blender is making my concealer look. And I think it's a lot better because when we used the wet beauty blenders, it tends to soak up all the product, and so we're not getting its full potential. And so that's why I decided to try to use a dry beauty blender, and I'm not mad at the results at all, actually. So now I'm going to use my Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the color medium deep. Brush off the, and I'm going to use my Ulta Beauty contour kit, and I'm going to use the colors Golden Bronzer and Goddess Bronzer. The most color. For my glow today, I'm going to be using the Anglola by the crayon case. The first thing I'm gonna do is put this in the corner of my eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys did like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please make sure to leave me a comment, and also share this video with all your family and friends, and as well as you might as well subscribe. I mean, it's either right here or right here. I don't know where the button is, but it's somewhere below me, and I think you guys should just click it. What else you doing, sis? What else you doing, bro? Y'all could click that button. Y'all can click it. And thank you guys again for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.